Welcome to Boilers2Go. Today, we're demystifying Baxi boiler warranties to ensure your home investment is fully protected. Baxi offers tiered warranties. The premium 800 range comes with a full 10-year guarantee, while the 600 and 400 models offer 7 and 5 years. Crucially, you must register your new boiler within 30 days. If you miss this window, your protection could revert to just a 12-month cover. Maintaining your warranty requires an annual gas-safe service. It's the only way to keep that multi-year protection valid and your heating efficient. For the Baxi 800 range, a magnetic filter is a mandatory requirement. Without one, that impressive 10-year peace of mind could drop significantly. A valid warranty covers both parts and labour for defects, protecting everything from the heat exchanger to the internal circuit board. Keep your benchmark, checklist and service records safe. They are your primary evidence of compliance for any future warranty claims. For more expert heating advice, follow Boilers2Go. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.